At St. Louis Community College's School of Health Professions, you can unlock your potential with more than 20 healthcare careers. From nursing and direct care and paramedic technology to the 4-year bachelor's degree in respiratory care, our programs train you with the skills to save and improve patients' lives. Programs in physical therapy, occupational therapy, and dental hygiene offer additional opportunities to work directly with patients. Learn skills to assist surgeons and ensure quality patient care in entry-level positions. Train to work as a technologist who operates and maintains medical equipment. And radiographers and ultrasound technicians play a key role in diagnosing and monitoring medical conditions. St. Louis Community College's Associate in Science degree in Health Sciences launches you toward countless healthcare career opportunities at four-year universities. Are you not sure what you want to do? That's okay. Take a career assessment and learn more about job activities, skills, and education, and salary information. Students choose St. Louis Community College for high-quality and affordable education, diverse programs, and strong support services that help students succeed and thrive academically and personally. Start your path to a purpose-driven career in healthcare right here at St. Louis Community College.